Welcome student to the second chapter of computer, that is GUI operating system desktop management, right? So in this chapter we will be studying about the Windows 7, right? That how it functions and how it acts as an interface between the user and the hardware, that is simply the computer, okay? And how it coordinates and manages the activity, okay? So let's get started. So the first graphical user interface version of the Windows operating system, it was Windows 95. After that, the many of the versions, you know, it get released by the Windows, and the most popular of them were the Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10, right? So, but among these, Windows 7, it was very popular, okay? So because it was popular, uh, and because of when it was very popular, so it must have some of the features, right, which made it to be very popular. So what were the features? We will go in detail. So it was very attractive and interactive and very easy to use, okay? So appearance of the Windows 7 was full of the colorful themes, and the graphics that were used, they were very interactive, okay? So it works the way that we want to the things to be done, okay? And it makes the new things possible very easily. If you want to search, the searching was made very easier. So in Windows 7 we can quickly search any of the folder, okay, available in the computer that we want to search, right students? If we talk about the taskbar of the Windows 7, the Windows 7 is having a flexible taskbar, and before that the version of the Windows, it was not it was like, oh, much more flexible. So we can pin out our favorite programs on the taskbar so that we can access it easily, okay students? So it was easier for us to use, okay? Now next is Windows supports multitasking. What is multitasking? Multitasking means to perform one or the more tasks at the same time with full accuracy and without the error. So in Windows 7, the task can be performed very easily. Likewise, for example, if I tell you, we can do the typing along with the window media player, okay? So along with the typing that we used to do in the MS Word, we can also enjoy the music by playing it in the window media player. So this is how the multitasking is being done, okay? Next is the jump lists, okay? What are the jump lists? So this is additional feature that makes us to be taken away to the straight away to the documents or the songs or the pictures, okay, and the website that were being visited by us, right? Understood? Next is the cascading windows. So what was the function of the cascading windows? So this option, when we right click on the taskbar, so the cascading windows option, it arranges all the open windows. It arranges from top left corner of the screen to the bottom right, and that too in layers, okay? So in layers we can see the options available, okay students? So now the next thing is the taskbar. So the taskbar, it can be seen at the bottom of the screen. Okay, as and when you open up the computer, you can see the taskbar right at the bottom of the screen, whereby you have seen like this. Okay, so it has a start button, right? Quick launch buttons. This is the notification area. This is the volume speaker option. This is the date and time option, right, students? So you have seen it. Okay, so let's uh, go through it. So this start button, what is the function of it? So this is the most used button in the Windows desktop, right? Why? Because when we click on the start button, then afterwards the option appears to us, okay? So this menu, this is known as the start menu, okay? and the option that is present in the start menu, it provide access to the main programs that are available in the computer, right students? Because after clicking here, most of you might have worked on it, right? So after clicking here, you must have seen the list of the programs available in the computer, right? Next is the notification area, right? This is the notification area. So here, this is the notification area. So this area, it contains the lock and program icons that provide the status and notification about the running programs that are on the computer. For example, if there is any antivirus functioning, okay, so it provides the notification of that. Okay, students, right? And many of the notifications like the dates and time available there, okay. And if you have seen in the laptops about the the battery status, okay, and you have also seen there the sound volume option, okay. So these are the various options that are available there. Next is quick launch bar. So this is the area that is in between the start button and the notification area, okay. This is the area between the start button and the notification area. This is the quick launch bar, okay students. So what we can do is, here we can add the commonly used programs, okay, likewise the Windows application or the tux paint program, okay. So here we can add it so that we can quickly access of the program for opening it, okay students. So next is, how can we customize the taskbar? What is customization? Customization means to arrange as per our need. Okay. So as to arrange as per our need. So how we can customize the taskbar? For arranging, we have the various of the steps. For that, we can right click on the taskbar. Okay. Then we can go to the properties option. After that, the taskbar and the start menu, the dialog box appear. Understood? There you may notice that there will be the option of default, okay. So the taskbar tab, when it is open, in the taskbar appearance section, what we need to do is, we have to click on the lock the taskbar, okay. Likewise you can see here this type of pop-up will be uh, there, and here we can use the lock the taskbar, likewise you can see in the book of yours also. So what will happen after that? So after that, this will lock the taskbar. Okay. So with the result that you will not be able to move it to any of the place. Okay, students. After that, click on to the auto hide the taskbar checkbox, and this option makes the taskbar to recede and hide automatically when it is not in use. Okay. Likewise, we can see the second option, auto hide taskbar. So when the taskbar it is not in use, it will automatically hide itself. Okay, it will not be available on the screen. Next is the small use icon. You can see here the third option. So after this, what we notice is this option reduces the size of the taskbar icons, okay, so as to fit the more programs icon on the taskbar, okay, so that we can see the more of the programs on the taskbar. So we can reduce the icon size by reducing it, okay students, right? So by specifying the location of the taskbar and to the desired option from the drop down menu of taskbar location on screen, these are the options we can do. So the options are, we can put it like on the bottom, on the top, right, left, okay. So this is how we can move the taskbar buttons, okay. Next is the icons. So students, while opening up of the system, you must have seen these of the items, okay. These are the icons. So what are icons? These are the small pictures that represents that particular file or the folder or the program. You have noticed it while after opening, you have seen this computer option, okay. After clicking it, you have seen many of the drives available in the computer, right? Isn't it? So let's understand. So this icon, that is a computer icon, So it gives the view of the available drives, isn't it? There are many drives, C drive, D drive, okay, E drive, and various others, okay. So it will give you the available drives information that are stored in the computer system. Okay, so if we want to access of the drive information, what we do is we just double click on any of the drive, okay, and the information it will be open. Okay, the drive will be open. Okay, students. Next is the application icon. So these are the graphical images that give quick access to the related application. Okay, so whatever the application we want to be in, we can go in that. Okay. Next is the shortcut icon. Shortcut icon, it contains the direct route for the specific application. Okay. So it is just like a jump. Understood? So it has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner, right? You can see over that. Understood? Next is the document icon. This is the document icon. So document icon, the active document window of an application can be minimized to the document icon, which gets placed on the taskbar. Okay. So whichever the document they are active while we are working on it, we can minimize it to the to a document icon. Okay. And after that, we can restore the document window by clicking on the document icon. Okay, after re-clicking it again, we can again open it up, right, students? Next icon, you can see the network icon. So this allows you to access the shared file or devices between the computers that is in the network environment, right, students? Okay, so it allows you access the files available on the different devices and that are connected each other in a networked environment. Okay, with the help of some of the network, they are being interconnected to each other, right, students? The last one is recycle bin. So student, you have seen that after when you delete the particular file or the folder, so that particular file, deleted file or the folder, it can be restored to the original location, okay, from where you have deleted. Okay, because as and when you delete a particular file or folder, it gets to the recycle bin. Okay, after that, if you want to restore it again, you can go to the recycle bin. Okay, and in that you have the restore option facility available there, and by that you can restore to the original location from where you have deleted the particular file or the folder. Okay, students, so this is how about the icon. So the next topic we will go into the next video. Till then, be safe, be inside and keep learning.